Day 5 of Raw and Uncut Study. User interface. A user interface is the portion of that application which allows you to control and interact with the program. Depending on the application, you can use a mouse, a pointer, a keyboard, and your voice to communicate with the application. Most general purpose applications use mobile and graphical user interface that display graphical element called icon to represent familiar objects. The mouse controls a pointer on the screen that is used to select items such as icon. Now, nowadays you nowadays you can also use device such as microphone to give voice instruction to computer. Another feature is the use of windows to display information. A window is simply a rectangular area that contains a document, program, or message. Do not confuse the term window with the various versions of Microsoft Windows operating system, which is a program. More than one window can be opened and displayed on the computer screen at one time. Traditionally, most software programs use a manually system of menus, toolbar, and the dialog box. See figures. Minux, Minux. Present command that typically display in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Toolbar typically appear below on the menu bar and include small graphic element called buttons that provide shortcut for quick access to commonly used commands. This can be multiple toolbars each an application. Picture toolbar and text toolbar. Dialogues, dialogue, dialog box. Provide additional information and request user input. Many applications and Microsoft application is particular use an interface known as the ribbon GUI to make it easier to find and use all features of an application. This GUI use a, use a system of ribbons, tabs, and galleries. Ribbons replace menus and toolbar by organizing commonly used commands into set of tabs. These tabs display commands buttons that are most relevant to the tasks being performed by the user. Tabs. Tabs are used to divide the ribbon into the major activity areas. Each tab is then organized into groups that contain related items. Some tabs, some tabs called contextual tabs appear only when they are needed and anticipate the next operation to be performed by users. Galleries simplify the process of making selection from a list of alternatives. This is accomplished by graphically displaying the effect of alternatives before being selected. Common features. Most of applications provide a variety of features to make entering and presenting, editing, and formatting document easy. Some of the most common features include spell checker, look for the misspelled word, alignment, align numbers, character, and picture to the center, left or right side of the page, front and front size, perhaps using character effect. Specify the size and style of enter, number, and text. Character effect. Provide a variety of different typeface such as bold or italic. Edit option. Provide easy way to edit text such as cut, copy, and paste. General purpose application. As mentioned previously, general purpose applications include word processor, spreadsheet, presentation graphics, and database management system. Word processor. Word processor create text-based document and are one of the most flexible and widely used software tools. All types of people and organizations use word processor to create memos, letters, report, and faxes. Organization create newsletter, manual, and the brochures to provide information to their customers. Students and researchers use word processor to create reports, document, guideline, etc. Microsoft Word is the most widely used word processor. Other popular word processors include Google Document, Corel Word Perfect, OpenOffice, Writer, and Apple Pages. Assume that you have accept the Assume that you have accepted a job as advertising coordinating for adventure travel tours, travel agency specializing in active adventure vocational. Your primary responsibility are to create a coordinate the company promotional materials, including flyer and travel reports, to see how you could Microsoft Word as a advertising coordinator for adventure travel tours. See figure 3. तो आज का 5 मिनट कंप्लीट होता है, मिलते हैं कल।